terms of redox. Okay, so now for the first terms, the loss or gain of oxygen. Second, loss or gain of hydrogen. And now we go to the third, oxidation and reduction in the terms of electron transfer. 第三种 and this one is important. 这个是重要的 Okay, so oxidation is a process of gaining the electron or losing the electron. 收到 electron 还是丢掉 electron 呢 Okay, so oxidation is a process of losing the electron. 不见 electron or releasing the electron. 丢掉你的 electron. But the reduction is a process of gaining the electron. 收到 electron. Okay, and any example 有什么例子呢 Sodium react together with the chlorine to become sodium chloride. So what going to happen? So we have a look first. 我们先看一下 Sodium having the electron arrangement 2.8.1 and because of 0.1, sodium not stable. Chlorine 2.8.7 and because of 0.7, chlorine atom actually is not stable. Okay, so during the chemical reaction, sodium going to lose the electron to the chlorine. Sodium lost the one valence electron to the chlorine. So lost electron, this is what we call oxidation. 丢掉 electron 就叫氧化 oxidation. Chlorine atom gain the electron and finally become chloride. So gain electron, this is what we call reduction. 这种情况就叫 reduction. So sodium lost the electron to become sodium ion. Sodium 丢掉 electron 变成 sodium ions. Lost electron, this is what we call oxidation. Okay, how about chlorine? Chlorine atom gain the electrons and finally become chloride. 它收到 electron 变成了 chloride. Okay, or this is a half equation. Chlorine atoms, chlorine molecule gain 2 electron and become 2 chloride. 变成两个的 chloride. So gain electron 这个叫 reduction. And what happened to this sodium? So today's sodium is what agent? 它是什么 agent 呢 Reducing agent. It reduces chlorine into chloride. 它把 chlorine reduce 变成 chloride. So sodium actually is a reducing agent. Why? Because it undergo oxidation. 因为它进行 oxidation. Okay. How about chlorine? Chlorine actually is an oxidizing agent. 它就是那个 oxidizing agent. Okay. If I block you, 如果我卡到你，那You copy your answer first. Okay, I'm back. 我又回来了。Some students they may be asked. 有些人可能问 How to write the half equation for chlorine gain the electron become chloride? 怎样写出这个 half equation 呢 Okay, so maybe I teach you again. Or we learned this in chapter 6 from 4, but today we maybe have to write it again. 我要重新教你写多一次 because chapter 3 without the half equation actually you cannot continue. 没有 half equation 根本不能继续了 Okay, so now see how to write the half equation or ionic equation during the reduction of chlorine. Chlorine 进行 reduction 的时候，它的 half equation 到底怎样写呢 Okay, for the first step you have to know 你自己要知道 Chlorine going to gain the electron and finally become chloride. So first step 第一个步骤 write your reactant and product. 先把你的反应体跟 product 呢写出来 Okay, so this is a step number 1. 第一个步骤 Step number 2 Okay, please make sure the number of atoms from the left and the right hand side they are equal. 左手边右手边 the number of atoms must be equal. So left hand side chlorine molecule contains 2 atoms. Right hand side chloride ion just 1 atom only. So to balance the number of atoms we times 2 这边就乘2. So this is a step number 2. 这个就是我们的第二个步骤 Okay, and step number 3 第三个步骤Please make sure the charge on the left and the right hand side 左手边右手边的 charge must be equal. Chlorine molecule is neutral, no charge. But 2 chloride it will be charged to negative. So negative 2. Negative 2 and neutral 0. How to balance it? 怎样给它 balance? If you want to balance a half equation, you just having one method. 你只有一个方法罢了 You add electron, 你只可以加 electron. So on the left hand side 在左手边呢 you add 2 electrons. Okay, so 0, negative 2, negative 2, the charge become balanced. So this is a third step. 这个就是第三个步骤 Okay, so this is a way for us to write all the half equation for the whole chapter 3 啦，整个 chapter 3都是这样子写 half equation 的 Okay, so this is your notes Okay, For the A, B, and C, for the first, second, and third terms, actually they are same only. Okay, so loss or gain of electron, loss or gain of hydrogen, actually equal to transfer of electron. 其实它们都是重要的，一样的。Okay, why? Okay, so in the future, in chapter 3, this part will be discussed more. 这一个部分呢，就一直讲着。And these two parts actually they will be lost. 它好像不见去了。Okay, why? Because they are all same only. 它们三个其实是一模一样的东西。I prove to you 啦，我证明给你看，你看爽不了啊 ？So transfer of electron actually same as loss or gain of oxygen. Transfer of electron actually same as loss or gain of hydrogen. But what's the meaning? We look at an example. 我们来看 example， 看啊。So just now, this is an example that we talk about loss or gain of oxygen. But using the same example, I using another method. Transfer of electron 也是可以讲的。So magnesium okay, react together with the lead oxide, become magnesium oxide plus lead. Okay, so magnesium lost the electrons to become magnesium ion. So join together with oxygen. So magnesium lost the electron to become magnesium ion， 对不对 ？Lost electron 就叫 oxidation， 一样的。Or lead ion, lead oxide 就是 lead ion and oxide ion join together。Lead ion gain the electron, lead 的离子 ，OK， lead ion lost the oxygen， 其实不可以这样讲。Lead ion gain the electrons and finally become lead 啦。lead 的离子收到 electron 变成了 lead 的原子，对不对 ？So gain electrons， 刚才 magnesium 丢掉 electron 变成 magnesium 2。Lead 2 ions gain the electron， 它收到 electron 变回了 lead 啦。So this is also same as electron transfer， 是不是一模一样的？ Next, another example. Hydrogen sulfide, okay? And now, what happened to the hydrogen sulfide? Okay, sulfide actually having the charge negative too. So sulfide gain the electron. Sulfide 它怎么呢 ？Sulfide become sulfur. So sulfide lost the electron. 它丢掉它的 electron become sulfur. Sulfide 是 too negative 的，对不对？它是有 electron 多余的。So sulfide lost the electron become sulfur. So lost electron 就叫 oxidation.Chlorine molecule is neutral, finally become hydrogen chloride, but chloride actually is charged. So chlorine gain the electron, 它收到 electron 变成了 chloride. Okay, so gain electron 就叫 reduction. So they are same only 啦，它们都是一模一样的东西来的，对不对 ？Okay, and now we're going to the last terms of redox. 最后一种 redox